When trying to make money with CPA marketing, getting hold of the offers are not actually what is difficult. What actually makes you the money right there is driving traffic to such kinds of offers, and you can utilize that to make money right there. The more the traffic you get to the offer, the more your chances of making higher income from CPA marketing offers. That's why in today's video I'm going to reveal to you some amazing free ad platforms you can actually utilize to get traffic to your CPA offers and start making money online. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos right here to make money online. You could also hit the like button to the video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So diving right ahead into the video of today, you can just simply go to getting CPA offers from any platform of your choice. There are actually numerous platforms out there like CPA Grip, CPA Lead, CPA Build, OG Ads, Max Bounty, Offer Vault, and a lot more CPA marketing platforms. You can register for them right there. They are quite easy to register for. Then go on to logging into your account. So as you can see right now, I'm logged into my account, and you want to come onto this page right here, which you can see right now. To get to this page, you actually have to come right here, select the offer tools option, select that, select my offers, and you will be brought to a page similar to this. You can filter your offers to any country or demographic of your choice. You can actually go on to clicking on payout right here to actually select filter your offers based on payout. It's going to show you from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers right there, and you can just simply go to selecting one of the offers right now. Now once you do select an offer right here, you can see more details to the offer right now about what the offer is all about. You can see that this is a $4,500 gift card or cash giveaway. You can see that this is for people in the United States that uses Apple iOS devices. They just need to insert their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey using this my unique affiliate link, which you can see right here that you could just simply copy. And once they do that, guys, you're going to get paid $1.02 for every person that completes that offer. So the easy thing for you to do right now is just simply go to creating a landing page. You can create landing page with Google Sites, Systemy.io right now. You could also utilize other free landing page builder sites out there. But I would advise, guys, you create a simple landing page that promotes multiple CPA marketing offers right there. So get offers that are actually quite similar, maybe gift card giveaway offers, and actually promote that right there utilizing a single landing page. So that landing page should contain multiple CPA marketing offers that people can actually grab hold of. If you are finding it difficult creating a landing page, I have some tutorial videos on my channel that shows you easily how to create a landing page. If you want to gain access to such videos, head on to my channel, OJ Marketing, click on this search icon, and you want to just simply come right here and type in landing page. If you do type in landing page, guys, and actually do click on enter right now, it's going to show you some cool videos right there. As you can see, these are the tutorial videos. This shows you how to create a landing page with breezy.io, this with Systemy.io, this with Google site right here, and you can actually see some right there with Webflow and some other cool platforms right there. So check out such videos as they could actually help you get better conversions to your CPA marketing offers once you do create a simple landing page. Now, getting access to the 5 cool free ad platforms you want to leverage to drive traffic to your offer. The first one right here is called the obackpage.com. This is an amazing platform that you can get traffic to and promote offers for absolutely free to countries like the United States, Canada, other countries in Europe right now, and you can actually keep on scrolling through. You can see the Australia and Oceania, Latin America and the Caribbean, and you can actually see Africa. Now, to drive traffic to your offers or promote your offers for free, click on this particular post ad option. If you do click on that, guys, it's going to take you to a page where you just simply have to sign in with your Google account. Now, once you successfully signed in, you want to come right here, click on this post ad option on the top left corner of the screen, click on post ad for free right now, and you can actually select the location in the United States right here. Maybe I want to select California, select the city in California and promote that offer too. Select the category of the offer right now, then select a subcategory right there. Once you do all this, guys, you just simply require to go into filling out a title, description, and make sure, guys, that your offer link is always in the description of your ads right there that you're actually writing. So once you do that right there and fill out all these other details based on your preference, click on continue, after completing the captcha to promote your offer on this platform. And that is actually quite easy to do right now. Make sure you do grabbing something that is actually catchy and attention grabbing for your audience right there, so that once they do see such kind of cool content, they will be able to click on that, and that will drive them to your CPA marketing offer landing page for them to complete some cool offers and you make some money online. So basically guys, you want to target other locations in that particular city in the United States, and also target other cities or other states in the United States to drive traffic to such offers. Then you also want to try out this other platform right here, which is called classifiedads.com. This is also quite similar to the OBAC page right here. You want to click on post an ad for free. Once you do click on that guys, the page is going to load up where you just want to select a category for your offer. So if you do come right here and select the category for your offer, select a subcategory right here in this particular section. And if I do select a subcategory, you want to put in a location. Maybe I could just simply come right here and type in something like New York. If I do come right here and type in New York right now, as you can see, these are actually options available for me: New York City, Brooklyn, New York Queens, New York Bronx, Manhattan, and Winchester. You can actually do see right there. Select anyone suitable to you and just simply fill out all these details to your preference, like the ad title, asking price, description, your name, and other cool stuff right there. That's actually quite cool right now. So once you actually do that right there, promote your ad for free also, just like how we did in the OBAC page. The third platform right here is called the freead1.net. This is also a very cool platform to drive traffic to your CPA offers with. Click on post free ad, and you want to just simply close this pop-up that was shown to you, and it's going to be brought to this page where you just simply need to select the category of your offer. And if I do select the category, select a subcategory also. I'm just selecting stuff that's randoms, and you can just simply select a group. And maybe if I do select a group like this, insert a title, a description, and basically focus on the fields with these asterisk signs right there, as they are actually the important field you must fill out right there. And you can see right here, you need to actually insert your email address. You could actually type in this code right here in this section. Insert the link to your CPA offer also right here, and also in the description of that particular ad. Insert your YouTube link if you have one, but that is optional because it doesn't have the asterisk sign. Select the country which you want to target, the state, and the city. And you can actually leave the cities, like the cities right here to actually target all cities. And you can add in photos right there before posting the ad for free. So basically this is a cool one right now. The fourth one right here is called the class.org. Now with class.org, you also want to click on post ad right there at the top right corner of the screen. In some cases, you might be actually required to complete a simple captcha right here to prove that you are actually a human. And you can see right now that if I do click on this right here, it's actually going to require me to complete a simple captcha. It says please click on the image with a camera, and you can actually do select the images having a camera right now. Click on next. I'm just going to do that for this page right here to actually complete this captcha. If I do click on verify right now, as you can see, that's actually verified I'm human, and you just need to fill out these details right here, such as the title, description, and provide all these basic details to promote your offers for free. So once you do that guys, a very cool thing which you can actually do right now is to just, maybe I want to copy this link to this page which is called the classifiedads.com. I'm just going to copy the domain right here, which is called the classifiedads.com. So if I do copy this domain right now guys, what you need to do is to come onto this platform called the sitelike.org right now. And if you come onto sitelike.org, this is a platform that you can use to go into getting alternative to a specific website or similar website to a specific website. So all you need to do is to come right here, paste in that particular link which is classifiedads.com, and click on search. Now if you do click on search right now, you'll be able to see the similar sites like classifiedads.com and its alternatives. Now if I do keep on scrolling through, you can actually do see right here that it says similar sites to classifiedads.com, and these are the top 33 classifiedads.com alternatives. So check out the first one right here, which is the global-free-classifiedads.com. This one is the freead1.net, like I showed you earlier. This is actually the USA online classifieds.com, and the list keep on going on and on. Now supposing I want to just simply go onto one of these websites, all I need to do is to click on this particular icon, and it's actually going to go on to taking me to this page where you just simply have to wait for this countdown to actually run out. And once the countdown runs out, you'll be redirected to that specific website right there, And if you are redirected to that website, you just need to go on to promoting your CPA offer, just like how I showed you earlier. So right now you could just simply click here to post ad, and if you do click here to post ad, just simply follow the necessary procedures to post your ad for free, insert the necessary details right there and post your ad for free on this platform also. Now you can actually do similar things for as many other platforms as you can see right here, for the other 33 free ad platforms to drive a lot of traffic to your CPA offers. Now if the video did add some value, guys, don't forget to hit the like button to the video. You could also go on to subscribing to my channel, so OJ Marketing, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.